DIY upcycling ideas to inspire you. 1. Revamp an old dresser with paint. An old dresser that's lost its luster can easily be revived with a fresh coat of paint. Bold, bright colors can make it a statement piece, while neutral tones can help it blend seamlessly into a minimalist space. If you're feeling extra creative, try adding a stencil or freehand design for a custom look. Bonus tip: change out the knobs or handles for something more modern or fun to give it an extra touch of style. 2. Turn a wooden pallet into a coffee table. Wooden pallets are often free or cheap and offer endless upcycling potential. You can turn one into a chic, rustic coffee table with a little sanding, paint or stain, and some wheels or legs. This is a simple, affordable project that adds a trendy industrial feel to your living room. 3. Reupholster dining chairs. If your dining room chairs are looking tired or outdated, a quick reupholstering job can give them new life. Choose a modern fabric that complements your decor and staple it over the existing fabric. It's a beginner-friendly project that can instantly elevate your dining area. Bonus tip: don't be afraid to mix patterns or textures if you want to make a bold statement. 4. Transform a bookshelf into a bar cart. Upcycle an old bookshelf by transforming it into a stylish bar cart. Add some casters to the bottom and paint or stain it in a sleek finish. Store your favorite drinks, glasses, and cocktail accessories on the shelves for a fun and functional piece that's sure to impress your guests. 5. Convert a vintage door into a headboard. Got an old door lying around? With some creativity, you can turn it into a rustic or vintage-style headboard. Sand it down, paint or stain it, and mount it behind your bed for a one-of-a-kind headboard that adds character to your room. 6. Use old drawers for storage solutions. Old dresser drawers can be upcycled into unique storage solutions. Paint them in a fun color and attach them to the wall to create floating shelves, or attach legs and turn them into under-the-bed storage bins. This project not only helps declutter, but also adds a creative touch to your space. Benefits of furniture upcycling. Cost-effective. Upcycling allows you to furnish your home for less, especially if you're working with hand-me-downs or thrift store finds. Eco-friendly. Upcycling reduces waste and limits the need for new materials, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Customizable. You can personalize each piece to match your taste and home's aesthetic, ensuring that no two pieces are the same. Skill building. Upcycling furniture helps you develop DIY skills, making you more confident with home repairs and custom projects. Tips for successful upcycling projects. Start small. If you're new to upcycling, begin with simple projects like painting or reupholstering a chair before tackling larger pieces. Prep thoroughly. Properly cleaning and sanding your furniture will make a huge difference in how the final product looks. Don't skip this step. Be patient. Some upcycling projects take time and precision. Allow adequate drying time between coats of paint or stain, and don't rush the process. Mix and match. Upcycling is a great opportunity to mix different styles. Don't be afraid to combine vintage pieces with modern decor for an eclectic, one-of-a-kind look. Furniture upcycling is an excellent way for young adults to personalize their living spaces while staying budget-conscious and environmentally friendly. With the right tools, creativity, and inspiration, you can turn any piece of old furniture into a beautiful, functional part of your home. So, grab that old dresser or pallet and start upcycling today. You'll be amazed at what you can create with a little effort and imagination. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.